You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but confusing names that many mispronounce, including from Italian. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel talking about Italian. Yes, it's Italian. Originally it is said as Lucrezia, Lucrezia. Now, in English, this is generally said as Lucrezia, Lucrezia, Lucrezia. In English, from Lucrezia in Italian. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.